Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can add a black shade in text in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and we have just selected a black image template. Now what we are going to do is we are just going to search for elements, and here you can search for any element. For example, I have just searched for cat, and now we are just going to add an image of cat, right? Okay, I have selected this one, or you can select any other cat, or you can select the puppy as well. So puppy, seriously? Yeah, seriously. Okay, so we have added the image of this puppy, and now we want to write text over it. So I'm going to select the text, and here I'm just going to select the heading. Sir, what's the puppy name? Okay, I'm going to tell you a good thing, right? So for example, I have written Sir Simba. Okay, done, Simba. So sir, because Rocky and Tommy are very vintage name, no issues, right? So we have selected this text, and now we can simply change the color to white, and then we can simply add effect and glow effect, and as you can see the black shade is over there. Sir, but it's not much black. No issues, you can also add the echo effect, right, for giving black shade to the text, right? Sir, how we can improve it more? Let me tell you. We are going back to the elements, and we are again going to select this puppy image and bring this puppy image into front, and now we are just going to remove the background, and now we are going to decrease the transparency for a little bit, and now we can simply increase the size of our background free puppy. So I don't know what you are doing, but you are doing something very good. Yeah, my dear friend, I am doing extremely good thing, right? Now we are going to click on the transparency again, and we are going to remove the transparency. Sir, it's looking nice. Yeah, I know that. Now what we are going to do is, sir, what more we can add? Okay, let me tell you. We are going to add another page, and we can simply change the color background of this page, and then we are going to add a heading and write Simba. Sir, Simba, the Lion King Simba. Okay, now we are going to change the color of the text to white, and then we are going to click on share, download, and here I just have selected the PNG as the file type, and I want this image to be downloaded with transparent background. And here in the pages I'm just selecting the current page, done, and clicked on download. So I like to watch your video. Yeah, my dear friend, but you have still not subscribed, so subscribe our YouTube channel right now. So here I have clicked on save, and my image has been downloaded. Now what are you going to do, sir? Let me tell you. Here I'm just selecting this image, and now we can simply remove it for a while, and here I'm going to select this text and delete this. Sir, why so? Because I'm uploading the new image which we have downloaded right now, the text image. Okay, so Simba is over there, Simba text image is over there, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to increase its size, right? And then we are going to click on edit. Because it's an image, we can edit it. Now we can add whatever the effect we want, right? So whatever the effect means, you can add the glowing effect, and here you can select the black color shade, and here you can increase the size, right? Whatever the size you want for your shade, you can increase the intensity as well, right? So it's looking very nice, nicer than No, my dear friend, it's not looking nicer than me. Here I'm going to bring this puppy forward by using the layer. We have bring it in front, right, so that we can arrange it, right. But before that I need to arrange this Simba text over here. Then okay, I have arranged. Now I'm going to click outside and select this Simba dog. Okay, sir, it's looking nicer than the previous one. Yeah, my friend, I am just creating content exclusively for you. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.